sees my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe.
Hey Minecraft fans, have you ever had a hard time finding Minecraft gift codes? Moonpreneur is giving away exactly $10 for a Minecraft gift code, and anybody who is attending the game development or robotics trial classes. If you're between the ages of 6 and 15, this is the perfect opportunity to learn some epic skills and simultaneously score a sweet gift code. But you gotta hurry, this offer won't last forever. So get to your parents to sign up for your trial class ASAP and learn how to make games.